Viewers, we reached the Nagarkot in Nepal, another famous Hindu pilgrimage center. It is situated on the hilltops. Dana store, another fast food. Flags are fluttering. Restaurant flags.